Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so there has been like a real yellow trend going around lately. Just like everybody's kind of blew up the internet about yellow eyeshadows. And I've seen a lot of pretty ones done, but I was like, I don't know if I really want to do this on myself because I've just I don't think yellow eyeshadow would look good on me. So I was like, let's just go ahead and see if I've got any yellow eyeshadows that I might could even break out. So I broke out these eyeshadows. Let me show you what I have here. I got these 4 shadows, and this is what they look like. I used one metallic like gold yellow, and then a more true yellow, and then a more peachy yellow, and then this brown shade. And the shades are Note to Self by Colourpop, and Lemon Drop by Makeup Geek, and Tiki by Colourpop, and then the metallic is Fortune Teller by Makeup Geek. So I just broke those out and was like, I'll just try, see what we come up with. And if you want to see me trying this out, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I'm going in with the medium brown shade and just putting that on the outer third of the eye. And I'm just kind of dragging it a little bit forward. And I just keep doing that until I've blended it out. I know it laid down kind of heavy, but that's because I had just done the other eye, so it was heavier than I thought. And so I went in with a fluffy brush and just smoothed it out because I really did not plan on it being that heavy. So we had to do a little fixing to that, and I'm just smoothing it out with no additional product. And now I'm adding it to the lid on the outer third of the eye, just so there's a little dimension there when you put the yellow shades down. I kind of wanted it to be like brown on the outside and then yellow on the inside and kind of meet in the middle. That's where I was kind of going with this whole thing. And it's looking pretty good so far. The yellow, every yellow eyeshadow is going to be tough to work with. So I just keep building until it's there. It really wasn't that bad. But I still, it does take a little bit of building to make yellow really stand out. But like I said, it was not that bad. And so now I'm going to go in and just use my finger and use that foiled shadow and put over top of it. I love those foiled shadows. I'm always using those. You will see me forever use Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadows. See how much it makes it just pop. I think that looks so good. And now I'm just lining with it's a brown eyeliner. I don't even know the name of it, but it's by Urban Decay. And I wanted just a little bit of dimension to like the lid, because you just kind of washes you out a little bit, in my opinion, that yellow shade. And so that brown just breaks it up a little bit and kind of goes with the color scheme of things. And I liked a little bit of eyeliner on my top lid. And now I keep adding it because I want to add a little bit at the time. I don't want it to overshadow my yellows and stuff. And so I just keep adding it until it's where I want it to be. And I like to make sure that there's no white showing through, because sometimes that happens and that is just kind of aggravating. You can kind of see, that's like a pet peeve. Like you can see that little bit of white on your eye, like your inner part of your eye. I hate that. Okay, now I'm just smoothing that brown out so it's kind of smudgy, and I'm filling in those white spaces that I just said I didn't like, and making sure that everything's brown and smooth. Okay, and I'm about to jump into mascara. I'm going to use the Honest Beauty Mascara. Influencer sent it to me, and it's got a primer and the mascara on like opposite ends. And I really was pretty impressed with it. It actually stays on really good, and I was really happy with that. And this is it. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to pray for someone today that is on your mind. Whenever that person comes to your mind, just go ahead and say the prayer for them right then and there. And you won't let that moment pass you by where someone could have gotten a blessing from your prayers. Alright, take care guys. Bye.